Hello everyone, first I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kadek Katarina Dewi Kurniawati and you can call me Katarina. Now I would like to give my feedback or my opinion about my partner research plan, and it is Luna's research plan. Okay, without any further ado, let me start with her research topic. Her research topic is about an evaluative study of English online learning program during pandemic in junior high school in Buleleng district. I think it is a very interesting topic because she would like to do the research in online learning program, especially in English, because as we know, we already learn in the online learning during the pandemic, and it will be, I think, 1 year or more, and I think I do agree if we doing the research or doing the evaluative of this study, especially the online learning program. And the other hand, it is for her subject, it is junior high school. I think it is appropriate to do the research in junior high school. Why? Because in a junior high school, they are already got the English subject, because her topic is focused on English subject. And the teacher or the teacher already have a background in the English teacher. And also in junior high school, we can find out the information about the student ability in using technology, because as we know, some student in this age can use the technology and also need their parent to help them by using the technology. So it will be interesting topic if she doing this research. And here, for her research background, she already write a good research background, because in the first paragraph she already begins with the information or a little information about the coronavirus, which is the first research why we are doing the online learning. And in the second paragraph, she start to explain about ERT or emergency remote teaching, and it is the one of the model of the online learning that she choose. And for the third paragraph, she already state about the aim of this research, and also this research will evaluate the program of ERT based on SIPO. And here I have a little suggestion for this research problem. I think we can add more reason about why we need to do this research, why we need to do an evaluation of this program. Something maybe like this program already done in 1 year, and we need to know, is it appropriate or not if we use it as an alternative program in teaching process during pandemic. Alright, let we move into the research question. I think she already write or make 3 research question. It is about the quality of the ERT, expectation of the teacher, expectation of the headmaster of the junior high school. I think it is already good and it is appropriate with the research problem. And let's we move into the objective of the study. For the general objective, it is focused to the quality of the emergency remote teaching, and for the specific objective, it is focused to the expectation of the teacher and also expectation of the headmaster of this program. I think it's already a great objective of the study. And also she write down the research, and also she already write down the research significance here, which is the theoretical significance is about this research may be useful for the teacher and can be a guidance, reference, and also evaluation material. And for the practical significance, it expect to useful for some people, like a headmaster, teacher, student and also parents. And I think it is already clear, and maybe you can add more information or more expectation for the policymaker in the practical significance, because if you use this if you make this research or doing this research and the policymaker read it, the policymaker will get the information more about it. And for the last is about research design. I think here is very clear that she choose to use a qualitative approach, because here she state that she used interview as a instrument, and also she will make a SIPO, context, input, process, product, and outcome, as a model of her instrument. And I think it will be interested when she use this instrument in her research. I think she already done in a good way for her research plan. And that about my feedback or my opinion. Thank you, and see you the next time.